Hello everybody, Cybertronics Productions here, and today we will be doing an unboxing. So, got this from Amazon, and just want to let you know that I'm going to be opening it very carefully, so yeah, first unboxing, so be prepared, see what's inside. Let's see what is inside. Rather just open it by and there we go, and out goes. Well, we got ourselves a War for Cybertron Trilogy Siege Battlemaster Smashdown. How about that? Smashdown. He is one of many Battlemasters that I've missed, and the reason why I got him is because, you know, he's a Minotaur that turns into a hammer. And, so yeah, that just want to let you know that I'll be, of course, you know, take a look at this guy come soon, I hope. But, so yeah, that was it. That was my first unboxing video. And, and before I leave, here are some fellow Autobot Battlemasters that will be joining him. Let's see here. That is Pterodactyl, that's Lionizer, and finally Fire Drive. We'll all be joining this guy. So yeah, that is my first unboxing video. So thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.